were walking down the street, minding your own business. You came to an intersection and waited for the light to change. When it did change, you began to cross in the crosswalk, when all of a sudden you were hit by a car. Maybe they were making a right turn on a red light. Maybe they ran a stop sign or a traffic light. Or maybe they just didn't see you. But in any event, you were injured, and now you require medical treatment. At some point, you'll probably ask yourself, who's responsible for paying my medical bills? I'm Seattle personal injury attorney Matt Dubin. Join me now as I discuss the mechanics of getting your medical bills paid when you're a pedestrian who's been hit by a car. There are several different insurance options to pay your medical bills when you're an injured pedestrian. The primary insurance option is the personal injury protection or PIP coverage for the driver who hit you. PIP is a no-fault coverage, so even if the driver or their insurance is denying liability for causing the accident, their PIP coverage will still pay for your medical bills as long as they're reasonable, medically necessary, and causally related to the incident. Now, if the driver of the vehicle did not have PIP coverage, but you do on your own auto insurance, then your PIP coverage is primary. And again, no fault needs to be shown. The only requirement is reasonableness, necessity, and accident relatedness. And as long as you can show that, all of your treatment related to that up to the policy limits will be paid. Now, if you don't have auto insurance or you don't have PIP coverage and the driver who hit you doesn't either, the next option is your regular health insurance that you obtained privately or through your employer. And in a case like that, they may require a showing that there is no other insurance available to pay the claims. But upon such a showing, your health insurance is primary. And again, primary means they have the first obligation to pay the bills. Of course, their payments are limited by the terms of your policy, and you may have deductibles or copays that you need to pay out of pocket, but that will still allow you to get the treatment that you need. Now, as a last resort, if there's no PIP and there's no health insurance, you can probably find a provider who will treat you on a lien. Basically, that means they'll carry a balance for you until the conclusion of your case, when you hopefully make a recovery against the person who caused your injuries, and then from that payment, you pay back the providers. Sometimes it's difficult to find healthcare providers who are willing to treat you on a lien, but if you've got a strong case and you're represented by an attorney, usually you can get the treatment you need on a lien. So again, there's the driver's PIP, your own PIP, your health insurance, and as a last resort, getting treatment on a lien. As always, if you have any questions about pedestrian accidents or any other kind of accidents, make sure you talk to a qualified personal injury attorney. You can always give us a call as well. We'd love to hear from you.